Good God. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're coming from. It is a gloomy day today. Today is our fun day. Everybody good in the back? You got NASA driving. Well, you see where we saw, well, I guess you're seeing where we're headed today based on the title. We're headed into Aquatica. Excited to have a good day. We just need these clouds to clear up. When we got into Orlando, it's been raining so much. But I think the sun is expected to come out at some point in time today. So you're going to see us riding some rides, just having a lot of fun. Hopefully all the slides will be open. I'm excited to try out their new Florida's first racer slide. I think it's called Riptide Race. So we're going to be riding that. I got the GoPro with me. The girls are ready. So we'll see you when we get inside Aquatica. We are here at Aquatica. We finally made it in. Had to go through temperature screenings. Feels good to be back here again to have some fun in the midst of all what's going on, all that's going on. But I'm so excited to be here, guys. We finally made it safe, like I said. Got through the security, got through the screening, got our tickets and everything. So all good to go. Now we're going to be headed to the Cabana because we got a Cabana. Anyway, guys, we're at our Cabana now. It was a little bit of a process because I went the wrong way. But we're here at the Cabana. Everybody get their setup going on. Got our waters, lockers and everything here. And the good thing about it is we're surrounded by a lazy river. And that's how the cabanas look. So we're excited. I think from here on in you're going to see me on the GoPro. Because I am just ready to ride some slides. So you're going to see me on the GoPro from here on in. And then later on, I think you guys already know about the parks. Because you know, I have a prior video. I was here about 2 years ago. I'll put that link up in the corner in the description so you can see that as well. With how the park looks and everything. But today I'm more so interested in trying the new Riptide Racer slide and doing some more food. I'm just going to ride my favorite slides today. I'm not going to be doing all of them like I did last time. But my favorite slides, look at NASA. Y'all, she don't wait on nobody. So we're going to head over to the front to do the newest ride. Like I said, you're going to see me on the GoPro from here on in. There you go, guys. That's a new racing slide. We'll be about to get on. Yes, it'll be that Riptide Race. That was awesome. That was an awesome ride. That was an awesome ride. I enjoyed every moment of that. I enjoyed every moment of that Riptide Racer slide.
I can put my goggles on.
Yeah, that Riptide Racer was good. Woo! I enjoyed that. That was the America's, in case you guys don't know, that's America's first dueling racer, tallest and first dueling racer slide. So there's a privilege, and it just recently opened. So it was a privilege for me to ride that. That was awesome. Awesome, awesome. So you're gonna get back to some more rides now.
No?
Yes.
You're already in, it's too late.
I know, right? I know, right?
Wait, what? I in the back?
Oh my God, you ready? Curry, curry, curl or something like that. Woo! Frisbee, frisbee. All right, guys. So I know I haven't been on the cannon for a minute, but we rode so many slides so far, and still got a few more to go. The Cabana is right there at the lazy river, but it's gonna be a good time, man. I'm gonna get me some pizza now because I'm hungry. We hungry. We had chicken tenders earlier. And I was supposed to show you guys the food like last time. But the last time I was here, I didn't get any pizza. So I want pizza this time. So I'm gonna get my pizza and I'll show that to you when it comes. So everybody eating their pizza right now. We marching and dodging. See my sister looking at a little stunker. Hey! That's how I look, y'all. That's my second entree for the day. That's what has happened when you get all day dining and you don't eat too much. That's what has happened when you get all day dining and you don't eat too much. You just as well lay out. That we call it nigger riders, kick it in. Yeah, you look comfortable there for real though. You look comfortable there. So I just got done eating my pizza. It was really good. I really enjoyed my pizza. I think in the next hour or so we're going to eat again. But for right now, we got a few more slides we got to ride before we get out of here because they are closing at 5 o'clock. And then we got a big day tomorrow. Make sure you be to check out that vlog, the SeaWorld vlog. That's going to be epic. This is what happens when you come to the kiddie pool and you get too much sand on you. Look at y'all, she got too much sand on her foot. Now she won't go in kiddie pool. Look at sitting down. What the? She got mad at me. Again for round 2 now. I'm gonna get me a hot dog sandwich with my all-day dining. I'm having a wonderful day here at Aquatica, but it's time to eat again. I think we got 2 more hours left inside the park, so we gotta get this all-day dining going before they shut it down. Well, it's been an awesome day here at SeaWorld Aquatica. KG, you had fun?
Yes, I had a lot of fun.
You had a lot of fun? What's your favorite ride?
The orange and blue one.
The orange and blue one?
And the pink.
And the pink?
Like the pink.
Alright.
Let's go.
Now there you have it. Full day here at SeaWorld Aquatica. Getting ready to head home now for another long day tomorrow. I'm excited, y'all. I had so much fun I forget my shoes and all. So I gotta get my slippers. Oh, Naya, you had fun?
I had a lot of fun.
What's your favorite ride?
I think it was the new ride.
The new ride?
Yeah.
Oh, she liked the new ride.
It was the new ride.
The new ride, the pink ride, and the orange and blue ride. I love the
I
new
think
ride.
mine was
Riptide Race?
yeah, the Riptide
Race.
Oh.
The Riptide Race.
Uh-huh.
What do you call it? Rush Race?
Ray
Ray
Rush.
Rush.
Yeah.
Ray Rush.
And Walla Wave.
Valhalla Wave?
Yeah,
Okay.
Valhalla Wave.
Well, she loved them all. She loved them all.
I love all of the rides. Even
But the park is closed now, as you guys be able to see. Park is, gee, that's a big one. Park is closed now. We're heading back to the car. Well, guys, like I was saying, it was just hectic getting out there. Nobody was wearing masks and all of that. You know, where we come from, we gotta wear masks. We can't take no risk. So we're just in the parking lot now. We all had a great, wonderful day, didn't you? You know what? They tired, y'all. They tired. But if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, Paige. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. We're trying to get to the road to 1K. We need about 1,000 subscribers before this year is out. I hope that you'll do that for me. But remember, all things are possible when you believe.